Hey folks, today we are going to see how to connect your Google Cloud credentials to n8n so you can use all these wonderful apps like Google Drive, Google Email, Sheets, Calendar and many more in your n8n. Most of the workflows I have built or seen other people build utilize one of these from the Google apps, and it's really essential for you to do as well, and I'll keep it very quick and guide you every step of the way. To start this, you'll go to cloud.google.com, create your account and then click on console. Once you log in, you'll get the welcome screen for your default project. You can choose to use this one or you can add others. I'm going to click to add new so that I can show you how I will do it. Now I'm just going to write a demo name here. I'm going to create. It took some time to create the project, but now that it is here, we'll go into that project. Next, I'm going to come to the top left, click on this navigation menu and click on APIs and services. Here we are going to click on OAuth consent screen and then click on get started. Here we will just name our app n8n demo or n8n text. You can write anything. You need to add a support email so that people can reach out to you. I'll put the demo email that I have. Then I need to go to external because I don't have a Google Workspace account. I'm going to click on next and then it's asking me for a contact information. So I'm going to just put the same email ID that I had earlier. And then I will click on next and I'll finish this and continue. And I'll create this. Click on any one of the nodes and then we'll click on credentials and add create new credential. So it already has a redirect URL, which is basically how it is going to connect with our Google Cloud, and it needs a client ID and a client secret. For that, we'll come back to our Google Cloud account and then go to the left side and click on clients. And here you can see the option to create client is there, and you need to configure this as well. So I'm going to click on application type. I'm going to click on web application and then I'll let the name as it is. Now I'm going to add a URL here, and here I will come back to n8n and then copy this redirect URL and then come to Google Cloud and paste it here, and then I'll click on create. Once the client ID is created, you can see we have the client ID and client secret here. We're just going to copy this here, come back to n8n, paste the client ID and then come back to Google Cloud, copy the client secret from here and then come back and paste it here. And I'm going to click on save. Now this credential has been successfully created and we still need to do a couple of more steps. So we go back to our Google Cloud account and then we come back here at the top and click on APIs and services, enabled APIs and services. So this is basically telling Google Cloud that we want these APIs to be active. So I'm going to click on the top button. Now I'm going to search all these APIs and keep adding them. So for starters, I'll go Google Drive. And as you can see, we have a Google Drive API here. I'll click on this, come back and click on enable. Similarly, I'll go back here and then search for Gmail. And then come back here, click on Gmail and click on enable. Similarly, I will enable other APIs like Google Sheets, Google Calendar and any other Google related API you want to use. Now that those APIs are enabled, we just need to do a last step. We need to come to the navigation menu, click on APIs and services and click on OAuth consent screen. Once we are here, we need to go to the left side and click on audience. The idea is that since it's a test application, you need to tell Google that these users are allowed to use it. So I'm going to come here, type in my email ID and click on save here. Once it's saved, I'll come back to n8n, scroll down and click on sign in with Google. I'll choose the ID I created and then click on continue. I'll click on select all, scroll down and click on continue, so that my n8n instance has the access for Google Drive, and similarly we are going to do the same for our other connections as well. And as you can see, it says account connected. I'm going to close this, come back and do the same for Gmail as well, and we can actually create new credential and we don't need to do the entire process again. We can just click on sign in with Google and then just select the account we want to use it for. It asks which accesses we want to give it. I'll click on select all, come back here and click on continue. And just like that, our Gmail is also connected to n8n. And you can repeat the same process for other Google applications as well, like Google Sheets or Google Calendar. Hi, my name is Vaibhavkejriwal and I have been putting on a lot of n8n tutorials almost on a daily basis. And if you like these kind of things, hit the subscribe button, like this one, and share it who is working on an AI project. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and see you in the next one.